This week I'm in LA for the Amazon Creator Summit.
Light me up, don't you stop, 'cause tonight it's on the line. Show me how you get on down, close my eyes, take me for a ride.
I'm going to take you guys with me. I have no idea what to expect. I got an email over a month ago from Amazon saying that they're doing this Amazon Creator Summit. So I flew down to LA. They have us staying here at the Ace Hotel. Apparently today's events are just like a little bit down the street. So let's go check it out. Okay, so we're at, I think it's called Rolling Gardens or Rolling Greens. And this is where the Amazon Creator Summit is being held. They have all these beautiful flowers here and everyone just is arriving and nobody really knows what's going on, but it should be awesome, I think. Oh, I didn't get one yet. Oh, thank you.
Can you speak your name, please? Melissa. It's H8.
Thank you so much.
We need one more thing.
Oh, okay.
ZSO. You're gonna have to. Oh, sorry, I'm in the wrong. No, you're good. You're good. I was looking at it because of my maiden name.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Okay, let's walk inside. Check it out. Hi. Oh my gosh, thank you so much.
Please feel free to come in.
Okay, it looks beautiful. Hi, thank you.
I want to.
I wanna run away, wanna make mistakes now, 'cause I don't wanna stay, wanna live my own life, wanna feel passion for something or someone.
So my way to tackle it was to create a business that really proves that you can do good, you can make safe products, you can also think about and care about the planet.
So the first couple of sessions, like Jessica and Alba came and we talked about the different ways to take advantage of Amazon content creating, and other successful creators spoke about it. Now it's kind of like a breakout time. You can kind of explore the campus that they set up, and Honest Beauty is like giving away products, and there's some other brands here too, but it's so far so good. I'm going to show you this amazing little Amazon holiday village that they put together. There was snow coming down, but the snow stopped, but it's still cute.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring, it will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring, it will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family.
Hi, good. This looks great. Thank you. So I'm here with Hexclad, and it is cookware. It looks beautiful. They have demos going on.
If you want to put your hand in here and get a feel for that, you'll feel the peaks and valleys. So it can give you the experience of both the ability to sear as well as non-stick. That's what makes it
awesome.
unique that no one else has.
Yeah.
And we laser etch in into the actual pan. So you can actually feel those peaks and valleys. So it's great if you want to
Nice.
sear a steak.
Oh.
You can do it whether it's on gas, electric, induction.
And it
You
can also go in the oven?
You can sear it and then you can finish it in up
Love
to
it.
500 degrees.
Awesome.
Right? And while you're on top, right, this stay cool handle so you won't have any problem.
It does stay cool?
Yeah.
I was wondering
Not
'cause-
inside the oven,
Right, but
obviously.
I was wondering if it stayed cool because of
Stay
the grommets.
cool.
Okay.
And so what we've done, which also makes it unique, is we put it on the back.
Yes.
So this is easy cleanup, both sides.
Okay.
Really nice.
Beautiful.
And if you put it in your hand, you'll feel really lightweight, not like cast iron, which is so heavy and
Right.
bulky.
But you're getting the benefits of like a cast iron concept.
Yeah, you're getting the benefits
With non-stick.
with
Because
non-stick.
cast iron is not non-stick.
That is correct.
Awesome. It's beautiful. Ooh, look at how it's sparkling.
Yep.
and family, making angels in the sand. You let me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart.
Want to hear a big woo? Okay.
I want to try some of that. Thank you. So we're in here for the first breakout session.
Tonight I'll reach out and touch the sky. In the city of angels, feels like I'm coming home. With my head up in the clouds.
Awesome.
There's so many services for wellness.
Really? I have a YouTube channel called Spa and Tell where I film spas around the world. So maybe I could come and film getting the treatments done.
First point is Shen Min. This lies here in the triangular fossa. This is to help relax. Oops, I'm sorry. Calm your mind. So these stay on for 3 to 5 days, and during those 3 to 5 days, you're going to apply pressure. So when you apply pressure, you're sending signals to your brain, which goes to your internal organs, and it helps you to relax.
Really?
Really.
Well, that will be good because I need to relax.
This one helps your body come back down to homeostasis.
Awesome, yeah. I like this. So now we're in the session called 'Tis the Season, and it looks like we're going to decorate cookies. Okay, so after doing the cookies, now we're coming back to the main area for kind of a wrap-up talk probably for the rest of the day, and our swag is here to see a swag. Look at all these. Beautiful.
So I was just like, okay, let me see what I can do. And as soon as I put the faith, the hard work, I just started going crazy. Like, I've never seen so much money.
So the first day just wrapped. There is a concert tonight, so we'll be coming back for that with Lil Wayne, and I'll share that as well. So they did valet, so we're just waiting on the car, and soon we'll be able to go back. So tired.
I was actually extremely tired by the time I got back to the hotel, and I just did not have the stamina to go back over to Hollywood for the Lil Wayne concert. Some people did, and then I found out Amazon Live was actually streaming it. So I believe Amazon Music has it, and I'll link down below if I can find the link to it. So I thought I'd show you what the room looks like really quick. So upon entry, you see like a low profile bed, and you have an area for plugging your phone and doing work. You also have this sink that's out in the room. It's kind of like a vintagey style. This is like a retrofitted old downtown LA building. So you can see the concrete in the ceiling, which is pretty industrial and cool. But obviously the setup is a little small in a way. So like this is the bathroom. So you have a shower. I had a hard time getting my water to be the right temperature this morning. It was either too hot or too cold. I couldn't find the middle. And then a toilet, and that's where I hung my toiletry bag because I couldn't really find a place to hang it out here by the sink. I think the other issue that's kind of challenging is that there's no overhead light. So you basically have these two lamps at the bedside, and then you have these other kinds of lights over here. Also, there's not a very big closet space area. So they do have like candy and spirits and boxed water. You guys know how much I like boxed water. And then actually, I didn't even think about what's in here. Do we even have sugar-free? Is there wait, no, please. Are you sugar? No, you're not. I need to go down to a store and get sugar-free. So I got all of my clothes arranged. Some of them are on the ground, but because there weren't really any drawers, luckily I brought my packing cubes, which in this event worked pretty well because I was able to just lay out my packing cubes and it's going to work fine. And then you can see out my window and down onto, I think that's Broadway Street. And yeah, it's just like a kind of, you know, downtown LA industrial kind of room. And oh, we do have a TV here. I think I'm just gonna chill and watch TV. Oh, I know what I'm gonna show you. I'll show you the swag. So I just laid it out. So first thing we got is the Hexclad 10-inch fry pan. I'm super excited about this because I watched them demo it today. They also gave out Amazon Creator Summit Los Angeles 2022 sweatshirts. Okay, I don't know how I ended up with a large, but I should have swapped it out for a small. I might try to do that tomorrow. Otherwise, I'll have a sweatshirt dress. We got a 1-year gift card for Amazon Music, so unlimited music for 1 year with Amazon Music, which tonight with the concert I think is one of the big like drives or interests. The swag bag that it all came in, which is Amazon Creator Summit. We got these Contigo filtered water bottles with another filter. We also got Dry Bar 1-2 Punch 2-in-1 hair wash. I've not tried that before. I don't know what this book is, but it's by J.C. Dupree, Liking Myself Back. We got the Sulwhasoo skincare kit. It has ginseng in it, and then also the concentrated ginseng. We got some Mighty patches, and we got Highland Stress like Buster gummies. So there's apple cider vinegar, stress busters, and an elderberry plus. So pretty good. Also, Honest, Jessica Alba's company, they did have an area to grab beauty products, but by the time I got over there, it was already pulled out, but I did get one of her little bags because I needed something to carry. You guys know that I have enough beauty products to last me for 2 lifetimes, so I didn't really need any more, and I'm glad that other people were able to take advantage. And so yeah, this is the first day of the haul. So I'm up on the rooftop and it's so pretty tonight. There's a pretty fireplace here, and then the lights in the trees, and you can see the city.
I am searching for something, and I'm still hoping, 'cause I wanna be in, not out, wanna make this all count. Yes, I wanna go crazy now, gonna make this all count. Feeling like a rock star, 'cause tonight I'm getting out of line and it's alright.
I brought you upstairs to the rooftop here at the Ace Hotel. It's pretty cool.
Just as cool as John Wayne in his movies. Feeling like I'm James Dean and I know it. Feeling like feeling like a rock star. Feeling like a rock star. Feeling like a rock star. Feeling like a rock star.
So it's day 2 and I'm ready to go. I'm just grabbing my bag, and because they gave us those swag bags yesterday, I'm taking that big canvas tote as well to make sure that I have, well, actually I'm taking other shoes just in case I can't handle these all day. I found like yesterday it was hard to juggle a bunch of stuff, so I think this canvas tote is going to help tremendously in being able to be on top of everything. Hi, good morning. Oh, thank you. You knew how to use it. Okay, awesome. Just a quick stop in the bathroom, and look at Dry Bar is sponsoring here, and so they have it all set up really cute in the bathroom with dry shampoos. Hexclad has been making amazing food for us while we've been here, and right now I'm enjoying the vegan chili. So yummy, so much flavor. Next we have another session, and then tonight there's going to be a fun party, like a wrap-up party, so that'll be really exciting in Hollywood.
I'm restless, so give me something to do, yeah. I can't stay here because I need to dance. Jump around and show them how I move. Everybody will be on me, wanna join me when I take a shot.
This is our last session.
I'll be the center of attention like I was some kind of astronaut. Cause I'm shooting for the moon tonight and I got a feeling I'm gonna crash some stupid party. Tear the ceiling down in front of everybody. If someone's pouring up a drink, I'm calling shawty. I'm gonna find a crown so I can put it on me. Swinging from the chandeliers, I won't be sorry. I got a feeling I'm gonna crash into this party.
I'm just an accident waiting to happen like.
Stop, yeah.
Super kind. Amazon just gave us some more swag and they saved it for the end. Oh my goodness. Thank you for helping us down the stairs.
Take care. Have a good night.
You too. Thank you. Super awesome. Amazon really took care of us.
Everybody will be on me, wanna join